So I'm going to show you guys how to get a product you found on, say, Amazon or TikTok, and you want to start Amazon FBA. So say you found this suitcase and you want to start selling it, and then you go to Alibaba and you find a manufacturer to source the product from, right? It takes about 1 month to get here, but now you need to get your product listing up. So there's this cool app here called ProLaunch.app. And what it does is it generates your complete product listing for you in a few seconds using AI. So if I click on get started free, or have you log in, and then here's where you start creating the listing. So say I'm selling a suitcase. I'm gonna put suitcase here, and it's made out of aluminum, hard to spell. And then let's say it has super glide wheels. It's super durable and travel friendly. And then let's say it has a lot of space on the inside. So large inside space. Can't even think right now, but it'll do the thinking for you. Fifth feature, we'll say luxurious. And then I'm going to click generate listing here. Boom. And then you're going to see it populates every field you need for you. It has a nice product title, 5 bullet points, some keywords, and also a full product description. So there's a few apps like this out here, but this one does it way better. And another thing that this app has is it has something called generate image ideas. So with product listings, you know, images are a big part of your selling point. So if you click generate image ideas, it takes everything that you've created up top and it creates 5 product image ideas for you. Give it a second here. Cool. And now you have your image ideas here. What you do with this is you give this to a photographer or a designer, and they can start taking pictures of your product in a specific way that has its selling points. You know, it has a feature and benefit. This is how top companies promote their products. And another cool thing about this is sometimes when you talk to freelancers like the photographers or image designers, you know, it's hard to get your point across. There's too much back and forth. You know, you don't really know what you're getting until like weeks later, and then you don't like it, right? So if you go to this app here, it has another feature called image generator. If you click on here, it has your product loaded already, right? And it has your image ideas for you right here. If you click generate image, the AI will create a product listing images based on very strict details and professional listings. Boom. So it's going to give you a really nice image here. Of course, this is not your product that you have, but you can use this to get your point across. And also, if you're really good at Photoshop, you can even just edit your product in here and then edit the text a little bit. So let's try another one here. Right, this is a great image right here. You can literally just Photoshop your product over this one and change the text a little bit, but it gives you that idea of what you want the product image to be. And if you're shopping Amazon, you know, these are great product images to show the selling points of your product. Let's try another one down here. This one looks interesting. This one actually has you in a specific situation on an airplane, lifting the suitcase. So let's see what it does. And then boom, it has your suitcase in an airplane with someone carrying it. You know, you can easily edit your product into here and change the text, or you can pass this to a professional photographer or an image designer, and they can create something similar for you. But yeah, everything you need to launch a listing all in one app. This thing is pretty crazy.